I mean, one of the interesting things is, a number of years have passed since then. One of the things that people who hate the case predicted would happen but has not happened is vast amount of corporate money being spent on elections. It just hasn't happened. In the 2016 campaign, about 11% of the money spent was corporate money, and none of it from the corporations one thinks of that might pour lots of money in. Most of it, corporations we wouldn't know the names of. If there's a problem on the ground with Citizens United, for those people who are concerned about, too much money in politics, it's that wealthy individuals have spent a lot of money and more since Citizens United, even though that case, as you rightly said, dealt with corporations and unions. It sort of opened the door mostly because people understood that individuals could spend unlimited amounts.
Now we're talking about the Soroses on the Democratic side,
right.
The Koch brothers
exactly.
on the Republican side.
Exactly. That came from an earlier case, also very controversial, back in the 1970s. Look, my view is that, yes, there are risks of money in politics, but that the greater risks are of having Congress tell us how much speech is allowed, who's allowed to speak, to set up a regulatory regime in which the amount of speech and the money becomes speech. I mean, for the most part, the money we're talking about goes into political ads.
Right.
And from my perspective, that is at the core, the heart of the First Amendment.